In this video, I'll show you how to set up QuickBooks Online Payroll step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open the company you want to use. Next, go to Payroll from the left sidebar and select Overview or Get Started. Now follow the setup prompts to enter your business information, including your company address, legal details, and federal tax information. After that, enter your employees and add their basic information, including their names, addresses, social security numbers, and pay details. Next, enter each employee's pay schedule, pay rate, and any additional compensation or deductions that apply. Now, set up your company's federal and state payroll tax information. QuickBooks may ask for your tax registration numbers, filing information, and the date you started paying employees. After that, review your payroll settings and choose how often you want to run payroll. You can also set up direct deposit if it's available with your payroll subscription. Next, connect the appropriate bank account and complete any verification steps required for payroll payments. Once your employees, tax information, pay schedules, and payment settings are complete, review the entire payroll setup carefully. Make sure employee information and tax details are accurate before processing your first payroll. Finally, run a test review of your first payroll, check the employee pay amounts and deductions, and submit the payroll when everything is correct. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up QuickBooks Online Payroll step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.